Bonjour, welcome to A1 Complete Beginner course. In this lesson 8, you're going to learn all about verbs. What is a verb? A verb is simply an action or a state of being. So the verb tells us what the subject is doing, thinking or experiencing. For example, manger is a verb. It means to eat. Penser, it means to think. Être, it means to be. So all these three are communicating what the subject is doing. For example, I eat an apple. So what is I doing? Eating. What is a conjugation? It's an act of changing the verb's form basically to align with the subject or a tense. To speak is an infinitive verb. So if you see in the previous one, manger, it's infinitive. It's not conjugated. So if I say, I eat, so that is a conjugation done as per the subject. So I'll not say, I too eat. No, I say, I eat. He eats. So you're changing the verb form based on the subject or subject pronoun. That is conjugation, simple as that. And the when part, well, if it's in the present tense, you would say I eat or I speak. If it's in the past tense, I was eating or I ate. So it changes. The verb changes as per the tense as well. So that is conjugation. So there are basically three French verb groups. So the verbs which are ending with ER, the verbs which end with IR, and the verbs that end with RE. 90% of the verbs are the ER verbs, so you will see these a lot. All the ER verbs are regular, meaning they have a structured pattern. There's only one verb that falls under irregular category, which is aller, and in this lesson you're going to learn at the end anyway. So the IR verbs is the second largest group, and it also has structured endings, meaning most of the verbs or several verbs are regular verbs. So here's an example. Vendre, it means to sell. As you could see, it's an irregular verb. Être, to be. Je suis, I am. You point at yourself and say je suis. Tu es, you are. This is singular and this is informal as well. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, one is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. So this is both formal or plural. Vous êtes, you are. You need to get the z sound here. S, when it combines with a vowel, you get the z sound. Z, vous êtes. Ils sont, they are. You see here you have two yeses here, two s's. So when you have two s's, you get the s sound. Ils sont, ils sont. Elles sont, they are. So as you know, you might have already seen the subject pronouns from the previous chapters or the previous lessons. So ils sont is used for both masculine and feminine or only masculine group. Elles sont is exclusively for women. This is the order in which you have to learn all the verbs. Here are some examples. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Did you note that I'm combining the S and E as I'm pronouncing it? It's called liaison. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiante. I am a student. Did you also notice that there is no need to use an article in French? You don't say I am a student. You basically say I am student. With this, what you learn? You do not literally translate the French sentences into English. Tu es très gentil. You're very kind. Tu es très gentil. Il est prêt. He is ready. Elle est là. She is there. So I see that it's written here, but then there is more appropriate. Elle est là. She is there. On est prêt. We are ready. So on has got several meanings. So it could be we, it could be one, it could be, you could talk about French people and say on est prêt. Nous sommes à Paris. We are in Paris. Vous êtes professeur? Are you teachers? Ils sont heureux. They are happy. Many students find it difficult to pronounce at the start. It will come with the practice. Avoir, to have. It's an irregular verb. So repeat after me and then by heart them. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, one has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. You might have already noticed, if you look at the they part, ils sont is they are, whereas ils ont is they have. Examples. J'ai un petit chat. I have a little cat. Tu as une belle maison. You have a beautiful house. Il a faim. He's hungry. Elle a chaud. She's warm. On a le temps. We have time. So you're learning beautiful expressions here. You're talking about hunger and heat. So in French, you don't say I am hungry, but you'd rather say I have hunger, or I have heat, or I'm feeling hot. So you use this avoir. And in fact, avoir has many expressions which you would learn in the future. Nous avons beaucoup d'idées. We have a lot of ideas. Vous avez quel âge? How old are you? Did you notice that? So to ask an age, you will not ask how old are you. So you would use avoir. It's more like asking how much age do you have? Even the answer would be the same. J'ai so and so. Or let's say j'ai 20 ans. That means I'm 20. So literally you're saying I have 20 years. Ils ont une grande voiture. They have a big car. Aller, to go. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Informal or singular. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. On va, one goes. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Formal or plural. Ils vont, they go. Elles vont, they go. Here are the examples. Je vais à la bibliothèque. I go to the library. Tu vas bien aujourd'hui? Are you doing well today? You see that? You're using the aller, which is the going, as how are you doing? Il va au parc. He's going to the park. Elle va mieux. She's better. On va au restaurant. We are going to the restaurant. Nous allons à la maison. We are going home. Vous allez au bureau. We are going to the office. Ils vont à l'école. They are going to school. Ils vont à l'école. They are going to school. Subscribe for the rest of the lessons. More important things are coming up. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bonne journée.